Hi guys, so I'm back with a Happy Mail, and this Happy Mail is from the naughty Karen Munro. She has sent me a couple of Happy Mails already, and she's just one of those really loving, giving people, like so generous. And thank you, Karen. It was so nice. I think I know what it may be. It's definitely fabric, and I don't know if it's Christmas fabric because I did a Christmas journal with just random red and green fabrics, and I mentioned I didn't have Christmas fabric, and I have a feeling she sent me Christmas fabric, but I'll see. But before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you to Peugeot from Peugeot Blues, and I'll put the link to her channel below. She's over in Germany, and she's so sweet. She sends little postcards. I think she knows I like postcards, and she's gone on a little trip, and she said she's gone to Bamberg. I hope that's how you pronounce it. And it's one of those heritage sites. She says it's full of history and lots of cute small cafes and restaurants and beautiful sights. The old town hall in the middle of the river Regnitz, is it? I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. See the red frescoes right corner of the picture, which looks like it's over there. But look how pretty that is. It just looks like one of those beautiful places to visit. Look at the towers here, so nice, so historical. So lucky to go there. My husband really wants to go to Germany, and so maybe Peugeot one day I'll go with him, and we can we can meet up and say hello in person instead of emails and YouTube. But that was so lovely, so thoughtful. Oh, and she said no snow yet. Oh, so lucky. We never get snow where I live. I'm in Sydney, Australia, so no snow. Thank you so much for Peugeot. And yeah, visit her channel. She makes really beautiful stuff, really vintagey, and I love her. I love her work. Karen Munro also has a channel, and I'll put the link in the description box below. She's really talented as well. When she makes journals, she really makes them. It's not just a bunch of scrapbook papers and digital kits sewn together. She hand makes everything, embellishments, you name it. Paints them. Yeah, she puts like heaps of work into her journals and embellishments. Like, she's really artistic. Oh, and recently we were chatting on Facebook, and she showed me some of her paintings. She paints, you know, animals. She did a beautiful big canvas painting, and I've asked her to show some on her channel, so hopefully we'll get to see those soon. Yes, it is Christmas fabric. Oh, Karen, you're such a sweetie. I think I might have to use this next year though, because I've missed the boat for Christmas as usual. I did make 3 Christmas journals this year, which is 3 more than I usually do. One was a kind of quilted one. Actually, I'll put the links to my Christmas journals below. I didn't have real Christmassy stuff, so I had to kind of make it look Christmassy. 2 out of the 3 have sold, but my most favourite one is still in my shop, so I don't know. I think it's because I'm junky. I don't use pretty papers and all that, so... Oops, this fell out. Oh, look, I love little baggies of stuff. Oh, Karen, these are so cute. Oh, this looks like a lolly. Honestly, I feel like eating this. Except if it were a lolly, it would be minty, wouldn't it? I don't like mint. I'm the only person who doesn't like mint, I think. Oh, wow. These are so cute. Thank you. I love these. Really cute. They're little charms and stuff. Oh, this is so pretty. This would have gone well with my journal that I put the napkin on the front page. With the same flower. Is it a poinsettia? Thank you. They're so pretty and cute. And I should open the card first. I get too excited. A gift for you. And oh, it's a little Christmas. It's like a little Christmas present. Hope you can use this, hun. Yep, I sure can. It's a cute little envelope too. Oh, this is really pretty. It's got oh, my room is so dark. I've got the blinds drawn. You can't see, but it's got like gold all around in all the little images. Oh, that's really pretty. Thank you. Little panda bears. I don't know if those are mousies or bunnies. Thank you. That's so pretty. Now next year I can make proper Christmas journals with proper Christmas fabric. Actually, I did have one little piece of Christmas fabric that was my grandmother's. Oh, see, okay, let me show you. This was Karen's little quilty strip. See, the backs are all ironed down the same way, nice and neat. Christmas fabric. This is my one. Tried to make it Christmassy. Oops, low battery. Tried to make it Christmassy by Red and Green Fabrics because I didn't have proper Christmas one. But the back, yeah, I never iron them down, do I? And messy. And squares not cut the same size. That'll make a nice little tuck spot in a journal. Santa Claus. Thank you. I love this. Oh, and little snowman. Oh, this one's nice. It's really thick. That's so cute. Thank you. Oh, this is pretty. Look. It's like little picture frames of little Christmas scenes. So cute. Thank you so much, Karen. You're so generous. You naughty girl. Stop sending me stuff. We're in this perpetual cycle of happy mails, Karen and I. I'm always on the lookout for stuff for her because I love seeing what she makes. And on Facebook, when she says like the next theme for her journal, I can't help but start looking. Like she's doing one, a Native American journal at the moment. And so now I just, you know, I'm seeing teepees and everything everywhere. And I can't help but look for stuff for her because her journals, I get so excited when she's working on a journal because they're just so beautiful. Oh, and before I go, I just wanted to mention a little channel that I found. It's an Australian channel and it's called Crafty Stuff. And her name is Debbie. I'm not sure if it's Debbie or Deborah. I think Debbie. And I was watching this morning. She made this beautiful paper doll And look, paper dolls aren't my thing. I don't know why I always watch the videos, because I don't actually know what they're for. Like, what do you do with paper dolls? I'm not sure. When we were kids, we used to make paper dolls to play with, but only because we didn't have any real dolls. We were too poor. But yeah, she made this paper doll, and it was like a wedding dress one. And when I saw it on the video, at first I thought it was a real doll. Like, it actually looks like a real doll, even though it's a paper doll. And she made a wedding dress on it with like lace and tulle and appliques and little flowers. It's so awesome. But yeah, I'm going to put the link to her channel down below. So it's Debbie from Crafty Stuff, and at the moment she has 98 subscribers. And yeah, go over and support another little Aussie channel. I would love for her to get over that 100 subscriber mark, because I remember when you know, I reached my first 10, I was so excited. And you know, like, family were like, yeah, wow, 10. And then when you reach 100, it's like, oh my God, 100 people sub to me. You know, you can't believe it, because you think I'm never going to get a subby. But it's so hard to be found out there in the YouTube land. And her channel, you know, she's one of those ones that has the potential to be really good, because her stuff that she makes is really beautiful. I think she's one that alters stuff, you know, with lace and everything like that. And I don't do that sort of work, but I do love watching other people do it. You know, Jeanette from Scrap and Happy, she does a lot of things like that, altering lace and with, you know, altering things with lace and all that sort of stuff. And Jeannie Dreamer. And you know, I don't do that sort of stuff because I can't make things look pretty, but I love watching the other girls do that sort of stuff. And you know, I've actually set a little challenge for myself, and that is to make a pretty lacy journal. I've got all of these wedding dresses that I've been cutting up to put wedding dress packs in my Etsy shop, and I'm not even using any myself. So I do have access to beautiful lace and tulle and satin and appliques and you know, beaded trims and everything. And yeah, I don't use it myself, so I've set a little challenge for myself. But yeah, head over and check out Debbie's channel. I'll put the link in the description box below. Actually, I always put the links to any channels or videos I mention anyway. So yeah, head over and check out that paper doll video. I think it was only 2 weeks ago that she posted it. It is so awesome. I love it. And someone, let me know, what do you do with the paper dolls? That may sound stupid, but I don't know what you do with them. Do you put them in journals, or like, I don't know, what do you do with them? Anyway, thank you, Peugeot, and thank you, Karen, so much, and thank you everyone for all your support and encouragement. I'm still overwhelmed by it all, but yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.